Don't just buy the most powerful one you can, because it might make your skin worse if it's too strong. If you're buying it for a specific problem, then you might need more ingredients than just vitamin C anyway. So don't get carried away looking for a magic bullet. What most people won't tell you is that finding the most powerful vitamin C and incorporating it into your skincare routine are two completely different things, and they might not actually be compatible with each other. So stay tuned until the end to learn how to use these products as well as which ones are the strongest. Most vitamin C products have around 10 to 25% concentration, and it's either L-ascorbic acid, which is pure vitamin C, but very hard to stabilize and keep in good condition until you use it, or THD ascorbate, which is an oil-soluble form, or ethylated ascorbic acid. The first three products we're going to look at use these specific forms. The ordinary 30% vitamin C suspension in silicone, which has direct L-ascorbic acid, Niode Elan 30% with ethylated ascorbic acid, and Revision C+ correcting complex 30% with THD ascorbate. The problem with vitamin C or ascorbic acid is that because it's an antioxidant, it can oxidize very easily. Just like, say, a sliced apple exposed to the air turning brown, or metal that rusts. These are both examples of oxidation. This happens very quickly in the presence of water, so the first two of these products have no water in their formulation at all to get around the issue. The Revision product has an oil form of the vitamin, so it can withstand water and not get used up before you apply it to your face. The Ordinary's cream, though, has a lot of negative reviews because of the powdered vitamin being held in the silicone suspension, causing a sort of rough and sand-like texture. For me, the choice here is between Niode and Revision. Niode's far cheaper, but Revision also has other antioxidants and Melapath technology to also help brighten up your face. It's more expensive, but you're getting more in return, so your budget will dictate which is right for you. If we take a step up from this though, we have Allies of Skin Vitamin C 35% Perfecting Serum and the Ordinary 100% L-ascorbic acid powder. As a cream or serum that you apply to the skin, Allies make the highest concentration vitamin C product in the world at the time of this recording. I'm sure there'll be new ones in the future. It has both the THD ascorbate form and the ethylated ascorbic acid in a water-free formulation to protect against oxidation before you use it. It's actually also why a lot of vitamin C products have dark or opaque packaging, because even sunlight can cause it to oxidize before you use it. In fact, actually, if your vitamin C serum, which was clear when you bought it, has a sort of yellow color to it when you use it, throw it in the bin, trust me, because it's useless now that it's oxidized. Amazingly though, Allies has the highest concentration, but not the highest price, which makes it great value for money. It's still around $145 in the US and £120 in the UK, so it's not exactly cheap. But honestly, the benefits from such good formulations are worth it. The 100% concentration powder that The Ordinary makes is chemically very good because the ingredient is always fresh when it comes to using it. The powder's not going to oxidize while it's in the tin. The problem though is controlling exactly what the concentration actually is when you mix it with other things before you apply it. And if you go too high, you can just cause irritation and send your skin health backwards. So personally, I'm not actually that interested in it unless there's some real need to seriously go above 35% concentration, because there's no other products currently that offer that. So overall, if money isn't an object, then I would go for Allies of Skin with 35% vitamin C if all you want is the highest strength vitamin C out there. Most people though actually need preparatory work for the skin before going so strong in order to prevent negative reactions like burning sensations, redness, sensitivity, and maybe even breakouts. What you should be after is individualized treatment planning, taking into account all the things you really should before deciding what to buy and how to use it, like skin type, medical history, current skincare, ethnicity, family history, sun exposure, etc., etc. If you're fed up of just not having the skin you dream about, then you can click on the link in the description below for a free, minus booking deposit, online consultation with myself that includes ongoing consulting and supervision for the entire time that you're using the skincare, as opposed to just the initial consultation.